Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Hydro Flask 20 ounces water bottle on the market. If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and stylish water bottle that keeps your drinks just the way you want them, then this review is for you. The Hydro Flask 20 ounces wide flex cap water bottle is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, designed to be both reusable and environmentally friendly. One of its standout features is the double-wall vacuum insulation technology. This ensures your beverages stay cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12 hours, making it perfect whether you're headed to the gym, office, or outdoor adventures. The TempShield insulation also keeps the outside of the bottle cool to the touch, so no matter what you're sipping on, condensation won't be an issue. This bottle's design is very user-friendly. It features a wide mouth opening, which makes adding ice cubes or cleaning the inside a breeze. The wide mouth also makes drinking easier and more comfortable compared to narrow openings. Plus, the flex cap is leak-proof when securely closed, meaning you can toss it in your bag without worrying about spills or leaks. The bottle is also designed to fit most cup holders, so it travels well with you in the car or on your bike. Durability is another major plus. The Hydro Flask 20 ounces is made with pro-grade stainless steel that resists rust and keeps your drinks tasting pure, without any residual flavors from previous beverages. The exterior is coated with a powder finish that helps resist scratches and dents, maintaining that fresh, vibrant look even after heavy use. Cleaning is simple with this bottle because it is dishwasher safe. Both the bottle and the lid can be tossed in the dishwasher, saving you time and effort. The included carrying loop on the flex cap adds convenience when you're on the go, making it easy to clip onto a bag or hold comfortably in your hand. In terms of size, this bottle holds 20 fluid ounces, which is a perfect balance between portability and capacity. It's lightweight, weighing just over 7 ounces, so it won't weigh you down throughout the day. Overall, the Hydro Flask 20 ounces wide flex cap bottle combines advanced insulation technology, durable materials, and a thoughtful design to deliver a water bottle that truly performs. Whether you need something for cold water during a summer hike or hot coffee on a chilly morning, this bottle has you covered. If you're looking for a high-quality bottle that will last and keep your drinks at the perfect temperature, this Hydro Flask is a top contender. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.